Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making a simple breakfast and I call this my cheesy frittata recipe. So let's just get right into the video. So for ingredients, I have my chopped plantain, I have cheese, I have some chopped onion and also some chopped pepper and tomato. I have chicken breast here, but I'm not going to be using that. I'll be using the sausages. And so I have my egg. So let us start by frying our plantain. So I'm just going to fry this until it's golden brown. Sorry guys, I missed a clip of when I sliced these plantains into the shape, but oh well. Let's just continue with our cooking. So yeah, I'm going to fry this plantain until it's golden brown. Once that is well fried, then we'll get into preparing our frittata recipe. I'm done frying my plantain now, so we'll just get into toasting our sausages before we make our frittata. I'm just going to toast this for about 20 seconds, and once that is toasted, then we'll make our frittata. Now I'm going to be mixing my egg. I'm just adding some salt and I will whisk that, and then I will throw in my chopped tomatoes and pepper and a little bit of onion to it as well. So this is the quantity I'm using very little of them both. So I'll mix this properly and then start making our frittata. So this is the quantity of oil I'm going to be using for my frittata. I will just pour in the egg mix in it, and guys, notice that I'm going to be using a very low heat for this, and yeah, use a very low heat for it so that you don't burn your frittata. So I'm just adding my plantains to the egg. I'm just going to arrange that, add the plantains and the sausages as well. Once that is done, I will cover it up and let it cook. I'm done adding my plantain and sausages now, so I will just cover this up and let it cook properly. My frittata is ready now, so I'll just sprinkle in my cheese. Like I said, the recipe is a cheesy frittata recipe. So this is me adding my cheese, and once that is done, I'll cover it and let it cook again for about 20 seconds. And yeah guys, our frittata is ready. This is what our frittata looks like. Thanks so much guys for watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, leave a comment down below, and share this video with your friends and family. Until I see you in my next one, bye guys.